Today's topic is human eye. The most sensitive sense organ of the sight. With the help, we can see the wonderful world. It is the most sensitive sense organ of sight. With the help of this one, with the help of eye, we can see the colorful world. Now the structure and the working of human eye and working. Now for structure, there are the following parts of human eye. These are the parts of human eye. First is sclera. Second is cornea. Third is iris. Fourth is pupil. Fifth is eye lens. Sixth is ciliary muscles. Seventh is retina. Eighth is blind spot. Ninth is aqueous humor. 10th is vitreous humor. 11th is yellow spot. 12th is ciliary muscles. 7th is optic nerves. And 13th is choroid. Now the first part is sclera. Well, the outer part of eye which protects the eye, the hard, opaque and white in color, it is outer part of eye. It protects the eye. It is hard, white and opaque. It is also known as white of eye. It is also known as white of eye. Now the second part is cornea. It is transparent spherical membrane covering the front of eye. It is transparent spherical membrane covering the front of eye, or it covers the front of eye. Now the third one is iris. With the colored diaphragm between the cornea and lens, it is the color membrane, colored membrane with central hole. It controls the light which enters the eye. It controls the light. Next, fourth is pupil. The central hole in the iris is pupil. The central hole in the iris is known as pupil. According to the need, the size of this hole increases or decreases. In dim light, the size of the hole will decrease. According to the intensity of light, the size of pupil increases or decreases, changes. In a dim light, the diameter of pupil decreases. So the diameter of pupil increases so that more amount of light can enter the eye. So that more amount of more light will enter the eye, and vice versa. Number fifth part is eye lens. This converging lens made up of transparent membrane. It is converging lens made of transparent membrane. The liquid is filled inside the membrane. The liquid is filled inside the membrane. Its RI, absolute RI, is 1.396. Next number is sixth. Ciliary muscles. These muscles hold the lens in position. These muscles hold the lens in the position. With the help of ciliary muscles, the focal length of eye changes. These muscles changes the pressure on the lens. The pressure on the lens according to need, so that the focal length of the eye lens changes. Eye lens changes. Now next part is, seventh part is retina. It is the back surface of eye. It is the back surface. It is made up of rods and cones. Made up of rods and cones. Rods are responsible for intensity of light. Rods are responsible for intensity of light, and the cones are responsible for color of light. Cones are responsible for color of light. They are only responsible for three colors: cones are only responsible for three colors, that is red, blue and green. These colors also known as primary colors. All the colors are made up with the combination of these colors. Now there are two functions of retina. Two functions of retina. Number one is image is formed at retina, is formed at retina, and second is it converts the image into electrical signals. It converts the image into electrical signals. Next part is aqueous humor, or for it blind spot. At the junction of retina and optic nerves, it is the junction of retina and optic nerves. The image formed at this point is not sent to the brain. Image formed at this point is not sent to the brain. Now the next part is 9. Next part is 9. Aqueous humor. It is clear liquid filled between the cornea and the lens. It is clear liquid filled between cornea and lens. Its RI is refractive index is 1.336, somewhat greater than the RI of water. Number 10th part is vitreous humor. The liquid filled between the lens and retina is known as vitreous humor. It is filled between retina and lens. Its RI is 1.336, same as that of aqueous humor. It is jelly type liquid. Now next part is yellow spot. That's yellow spot. It's the midpoint of retina. It is the midpoint of retina. Image formed at this point will be clear, brightest. Image formed at this point will be clear. Now the optic nerves, they are connected between the retina and brain. They are between retina and brain. Electrical signals are sent to brain by these nerves. are sent to brain by these nerves. This one is 11, this is 12, and next part is 13. Last part is choroid. With the outer part of eye, which protect the eye, it's black in color. It is the inner part of eye. It is black in color. It absorbs the extra light which enters in the eye. The extra light which enters the eye. Now the figure. The eye lens is cornea, completely spherical. It is black in color. Here is yellow spot. This one is black spot. It is retina. It is yellow spot. These are the optic nerves. It is black spot, blind spot. This one is cornea. This is pupil. This one is iris. It is sclera. It is white of eye. It is choroid. Black in color. Here is aqueous humor, watery liquid. It is vitreous humor. Its mu is 1.336. Its mu is 1.336. This one is jelly. Its eye lens. Its RI is mu is 1.396. These are the parts of eye.